Welcome to Maths TV. Today we will be going through paper IGCSE Maths 058011 May-June 2018. The papers which we will be using are not designed by us, and we are using Cambridge IGCSE papers for educational purposes only. If you want to go through the complete paper, you can go with the flow of the video. But if you want to go to some specific question, if you want to revise some specific question, we will provide list of questions, that is index, so you can refer to this particular question. Question number 1, writes 4647 correct to the nearest 100. So we'll have to eliminate these two numbers and we need to round this one. So we will change these two to 0. So correct to the nearest 100 will be 4600, and answer we will write here 4600. Question number 2, write 0.007 as fraction. So we have to convert decimal into fraction. So 0.007 will write down denominator. Under the decimal we will write 1, and for each digit on the right we will place zeros. So our number will be 007 over 1000, or we can write 7 over 1000. So our answer will be 7 over 1000. Question number 3, the diagram shows a quadrilateral. Find the value of x. So three angles, interior angles of the quadrilateral are given, 95, 82, 47. X we have to find. So sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral are adding up to 360 degree. So we will add up the given angles, 95 plus 82 plus 47 plus x should be equal to 360 degrees. So we will add by the use of calculator. We will add 95 plus 82 plus 47. This will be equal to 224. So 224 plus x is equal to 360 degrees. So x will be equal to, we can write down x is equal to 360 degrees minus 224 degrees. So we will write down, calculate 360 minus 224. This will be equal to 136. So our answer will be 136 degrees. Question number 4, the nth term of the sequence. This is the general formula of the sequence given. Write down the first three terms of the sequence. So we require to write first three terms. So we'll replace, for first term we will replace n is equal to 1, and this implies 5 into 1 minus 3. This will be equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So first term will be 2, and we will replace n is equal to 2, which implies 5 into 2 minus 3 will be equal to 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. So second term will be 7, and we require three terms. So for the third term n is equal to 3. This implies 5 into 3 minus 3, which is equal to 15 minus 3, which will be equal to 12. So our three terms, required three terms, will be 2, 7 and 12. Question number 5, A part, write 0.00268 correct to two significant figures. So we know that leading zeros are non-significant, so we will be counting two significant figures from this number. So it will be 2 and 6. We'll have to cut from here. So 0.002 and 8 is more than 5, so we will add 1 in 6, so it will be 7. So our answer will be 0.0027. We can write here answer 0.0027. This will be two significant figures. B part, write 0.0000387 in standard form. So they require in standard form. In standard form, you know, we have to shift. If we write here again the question, which is this one, we'll have to shift this 0 to first non-zero number, this position. So we'll have to jump. We'll have to take jumps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. We will have to jump and shift the decimal to this location. So we'll be jumping to the right. Jumping to the right will be resulting to 10 raised power minus. So 3.87 into 10 raised power minus 5, because we are taking 5 jumps to the right. So answer will be 3.87 into 10 raised power minus 5. Question number 6. Find the value of this expression. Algebraic expression is given. We'll have to find the value of this expression. Value of x is given, value of y is given. X is equal to 12, y is equal to minus 6. We'll replace the values in this expression. So 7x plus 3y. So we'll replace value of x, which is 12, and plus 3 into y, which is minus 6. So we can use calculator also, otherwise simple mental mathematics we can use. So it will be 84 and minus 18. So 84 minus 18 will be 66. So our answer will be 66. Question number 7. The diagram shows two parallel lines PAQ and SBCT. These two lines are parallel to each other. AB is equal to AC, AB is equal to AC, marks are given. And angle QAC is equal to 43 degrees. This is also given. Find the value of x. Value of x we have to find. So what we can do, we can consider this shape, this one. This shape we can consider. So this angle will be equal to this angle. This is 43, so this will also be 43. These two sides are equal. Sides of this triangle are equal, so their opposite angles will also be equal. So if this is 43, this will also be 43 degrees. So these two angles are 43. Sum of interior angles of a triangle are adding up to 180. So 43 plus 43 plus x should be equal to 180 degree. So 44 plus 43 plus 43 will be 86 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 degrees minus 86, which will be equal to 94 degrees. So we will write down the answer as 94 degrees. Question number 8. Solve the equation. This equation is given. So we will shift this minus 5 to the other side of the equality. So 8x is equal to 7 plus 5. 8x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 over 8. We can cancel for 2s are 8 and for 3s are, so this will be 3 by 2, which is equal to 1.5. So our answer will be 1.5. Question number 9, A part. Change 6.54 kilometers into meters. So this is conversion of units. kilometers into meters. There are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer, so we will multiply because this is bigger unit to smaller unit. 6.54 multiplied by 1000, so answer will be 6540. So we write here 6540 meters. Change 7850 centimeter cube into liters. We have to change centimeter cube into liters. So we will change 7850 centimeter cubes into liters. So we will divide 7850 by 1000. So this will be equal to 7.85 liters. So 7.85. Question number 10. The height h meters of a boy is 1.72 meter. Correct to the nearest centimeter. Complete this statement about the value of h. So value of h is equal to 1.72. We'll have to find the upper bound and the lower bound. So upper bound and lower bound will find. So upper bound will be 1.725 and lower bound will be 1.715. So plus minus 0.005. We will get the upper and lower bound, and the answer we will write h is less than 1.725 and h is greater than equal to 1.715. Question number 11. Expand and simplify. So this algebraic expression is given. We will expand, we will multiply 6 with 2y, so it will be 12y, then 6 with minus y, minus 18, then minus 5 with y, minus 5y, and minus 5 with 1, so minus 5. Now we can combine y values. So 12 minus 5 will be 7y, and minus 18 minus 5 will be minus 23. So our answer will be 7y minus 23. Question number 12. G is equal to 2, 5, h is equal to minus 3, 4. Write as a single vector. So G plus h. So G plus h will be equal to 2, 5 plus minus 3 and 4. So we can add these two. It will be 2 minus 3 and 5 plus 4. So this will be equal to minus 1 and 9. So we will write here minus 1 and 9. B part is minus h. So h is given. So we will write minus h, minus and minus 3 and 4. So we can write this one minus, will change the signs. So it will be minus will change to plus and plus will change to minus. So 3 and minus 4 will be the answer. We will write here 3 and minus 4. Question number 13. Work out the lowest common multiple LCM of 18 and 21. So multiples of 18 will be equal to what? 18 multiply 1 will be 18. Then 18 into 2 will be 36. So we can write next multiple as 36. Next 18 into 3 will be 54. So we will write next multiple as 54. Then 18 into 4 will be 72. So next multiple 72. Then 18 into 5 will be 90, and at the same time we can write the multiples of 21 also. 21 multiplied by 1 will be 21. Then 21 multiplied by 2 will be 42. 21 multiplied by 3 will be 63. So side by side we are checking there is no common in these two till now. So 1 2 3 we have multiplied by 3. Now 21 multiplied by 4 will be 84, and 21 multiplied by 5 will be 105. Till now there is no common, so 21 multiplied by 6 will be 126, and 21 multiplied by 7 will be equal to 147. We can extend multiples of 18 as well, so 18 multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 18 multiplied by 6 will be 108. Then 18 multiplied by 7 will be equal to 126, and 18 multiplied by 8 will be equal to 144. We can see this 126 is common in both, so least common multiple, the lowest number from the multiples, we will check which one is common. So 126 is common in both, so our answer will be 126. Question number 14. Work out the size of one exterior angle of a regular octagon. Octagon is having 8 sides, regular octagon, so all angles and all sides are equal. So exterior angle, 360 divided by number of sides will be equal to exterior angle. This is the formula. So we will replace 360 divided by number of sides, which are 8 because it is octagon. So exterior angle will be equal to 360 divided by 8, which is equal to 45 degrees. So exterior angle will be equal to 45 degrees. Question number 15, A part, we will have to calculate this. Write down your full calculator display. So we will use calculator to solve this. We will write the same thing. We will write under root 2.38 plus 6.4 square, and this will be equal to, if you check calculator, 6.5833122236. These are all digits because they are asking write down your full calculator display. So you can write here 6.5833122236. Now the B part, write your answer to part A correct to 4 decimal places. So 4 decimal places, 1 2 3 4. So we need up to this one. So next number is 1, so we will not increase this, so we will write 6.5833. This will be our answer. Question number 16. Enlarge the rectangle using a scale factor 3 and the center of enlargement is O. This is O, center of enlargement. We will draw a line touching this corner of the rectangle and the point O. So we will extend this line, and similarly we will extend this line from O to this point touching this side, and now we will count these two sides are 2 units, and it will be, we will check how many units it will be after enlargement. 3 into 2 will be 6, so we need 6 units. 1 2 3 4 5 6 units. So our new line after enlargement, this side will be here, so this side is shifted to this one after enlargement, and 1 2 3 units. 3 multiplied by 3 will be 9 units. We'll count units 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we can mark here. Similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We'll mark here and draw line over here and baseline also we will draw for the enlarged rectangle, and we will get the new enlarged rectangle after scale factor 3 and center of enlargement as O. This side is shifted to this one, this side is shifted to this one, this side is shifted to this one, and this one is shifted to here. Question number 17, A part. A box contains 3 blue pens, 4 red pens, and 8 green pens only. The pen is chosen at random. A pen is chosen at random from the box. Find the probability that the pen is green. So total number of pen are 3 plus 4 plus 8, which is 15. So total number of pen are 15 and green are 8. So probability for probability of green will be equal to 8 over 15. So we will write answer as 8 over 15. B part. A cube has only one of its 6 faces painted yellow. So total number of faces of a cube are 6, and this cube is rolled 240 times. Work out the expected number of times that it lands on the yellow face. So we will divide 240 by 6 as the number of faces are 6, which will be equal to 40. So answer will be 40. Question number 18, simplify x raised to power 3 whole raised to power 4. So power, double power will be multiplied. So x raised to power 3 into 4, which will be equal to x raised to power 12. So our answer will be x raised to power 12. P part, 4 raised to power w is equal to 1 over 16. Find the value of w. So we can write 4 raised to power w is equal to 1 over 4 raised to power 2, and next step we can write 4 raised to power w is equal to 4 raised to power minus 2. We will shift denominator to numerator, and bases are same in both cases, so we can ignore the bases and we can write w is equal to minus 2. So our answer will be minus 2. Question number 19, these numbers are given. From this list, write down the 2 numbers that are irrational. Irrational numbers are the numbers which cannot be written in P over Q form. In fraction form, you cannot write. So from these numbers, this one pi and under root 3 are these 2 numbers which are irrational and cannot be written in fraction form. So we will write one answer is as pi and the other answer is 3 square root. Question number 20, A part. Here is a description of a quadrilateral. It has 4 right angles. It has 2 lines of symmetry. It has rotational symmetry of order 2. Write down the mathematical name of this quadrilateral. So we know rectangle is having 4 right angles, 2 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. So our answer will be rectangle. Rectangle we will write like this one, and you know shape of the rectangle is like this one. So it is having 4 right angles, 1, 2, 3 and 4 right angles, and 2 lines of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. So this is rectangle. B part, write down 2 geometrical properties of parallelogram, and we know parallelogram is like this shape, which is having 2 sides parallel to each other. These 2 sides are parallel and these 2 sides are parallel. So we can write 2 pair of parallel sides, 2 pair of parallel sides, one thing, and second thing we can write opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal. Question number 21, the net of a solid is drawn on a 1 centimeter square grid. This diagram is given, and if you go through this whole drawing is like this one, and this drawing is the A part. They are asking write down the name of the solid made from this net. So what will be the solid? This is the base, and these are three sides, and this one is fourth side, and this is the top, and this shape is cuboid. So we will answer to the part 1 as cuboid. Now the second part, work out the volume of the solids of this solid. So to work out the volume, we'll check this is width 1, 2, 3 units, and this is length 1, 2, 3, 4 units, and height will be this one, this side, so 2 units. So length into width into height, so we can write 3 into 4 into 2, because this side is 3, this side is 4, and this height is 2. So we'll multiply 3 by 4 by 2, so 12 into 2 will be 24. So our answer will be 24 centimeter cube. Question number 23, factorize completely. A part 10 plus 16w. So question number 22, 10 plus 16w, A part. So we can take common, maximum common we can take as 2. So 2 5s are 10 plus 8w. So this will be answer 2 into 5 plus 8w. B part 12tx minus 8t square. So what we can take common from these two sides is 4 and t. So inside will be 3x minus 2t. So our answer will be 4t into 3x minus 2t. Question number 23. Without using your calculator, you will not be allowed to use calculator. Work out this expression we have to solve. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Fraction in simplest form. So we will write question is 1 whole 3 by 4 multiplied by 6 over 35. So we can change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we will multiply 4 with 1. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7. So 7 by 4 multiplied by 6 over 35. So this can be cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35, and by the table of 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. We can write 3 into 1 will be 3 and 2 5s are 10. So our answer will be 3 over 10. Question number 24. Solve the simultaneous equations. You must show all your working. So you can use elimination method, because all variables are having coefficients. So better to use elimination method. Substitution method will be a little complicated. So better to, I will go for elimination method. I will multiply first equation by 5. I will multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 3, and after multiplying we will get 15x plus 50y is equal to 106 multiplied by 5 will be equal to 530. So 530, and the second equation 5 into 3 will be 15x, and minus 12y is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. So now we can subtracting So when we subtract, we'll have to change signs. So after changing signs, these two will be cancelled. So 50 plus 12 will be 62y is equal to 530 minus 3 will be 527. So y will be equal to 527 divided by 62 will be equal to 17/2, which is 8.5. So y value will be 8.5. So we can write y value 8.5, which we have calculated. Now we will be replacing this y value in any of the given equations. I will write first equation, 3x plus 10y is equal to 106. In this one I will replace value of y as 8.5. So 3x plus 10 into 8.5 is equal to 106. So 3x plus 8.5 into 10 will be 85. 85 is equal to 106, and we will shift this 85 to other side. So 3x is equal to 106 minus 85. This will be equal to 21. So 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 over 3, which is equal to 7. So value of x will be equal to 7. We will write here value of x as 7 and y is equal to 8.5. Question number 25. 40 people were asked how many times they visited the cinema in 1 month. The table shows the result. This is the table of values. Number of cinema visits, then frequency, find the mode. Mode, we will see the maximum frequency is 7 for the value 4. So our answer will be 4 for first part. Find the mode. Mode is the most occurring, which is frequency 7, which is for 4. So we'll, our answer for part 1 will be 4. Now calculate the mean. For the mean value, we will be writing, for example, 0 multiply this number of visits multiply by frequency in brackets plus 1 into 5 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into 7 plus 5 into 3 plus 6 into 6 plus 7 into 2. So this one divided by the frequency, which is 40. So divided by 40, if we solve with calculator, our answer will be 100. Our answer will be 3.2. So we will write answer as 3.2. B part, Umar wants to show the information from the table in a pie chart. Calculate the sector angle for the people who visited cinema 5 times. And 5 times, if we check the table, frequency for 5 times is 3. Okay, I'll show you from the table. We can check 5 times visit is 3. So frequency will be 3. So 3 out of 40. So we will write 3 out of 40. 3 out of 40, and we want to convert into pie chart. So 360 angle for pie chart. So it will be 3 divided by 40 into 360, which will be equal to 27. So 27 degrees will be the sector angle. Thanks for watching Maths TV. See you next time.